Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Nespresso Vertuo machine not pumping water. If you want to fix the issue, then we'll need to follow some steps. Here you will see I am at the official website of Reddit, and here you will see this is the problem. And here in the down, people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that it probably has an air lock. Mine had it when I first got mine. I also filled the receiver up with water and put it on and off the base a few times. Then just push the button on the top to force it to try over and over until it broke the airlock. I did not figure out myself. I called the support number and they walked me through it. It took about 15 minutes to get it working. So this is the first thing you need to try. Here you will see the another people says that make sure that the water container is properly in place. I had so many occasions where I refilled water and don't click any place and stood there wondering why nothing was pumping. So this is the second thing you need to try. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.